I received a phone call a few weeks ago that Rabbi Bachner would like to meet me at my home to discuss something.
It wasn't just like a phone call that I could just hang up and be done with.
I did not want to accept it at first. I thought there would be other people out there who would fit better for the honoree.
I had the same question. Why would you honor me? I've never done anything for you, besides my annual donation, but really, no involvement.
We felt very hesitant when approached by Rabbi Bachner, as Chani and I strongly prefer to work behind the scenes.
My first reaction was to say, let me save you the trip. I do not want to be listed on the stationery for this year's dinner.
But to any of you who have ever met Rabbi Bachner, you learn very quickly that he does not take no for an answer.
I decided that since it's a wonderful organization, I will accept.
But it didn't take very long in that first meeting with Reb Shlomo and his staff for me to realize that the question that I should be asking is, how was I not involved for all these years? How could I not have felt the pain of people that go through so many years of not being able to have children? How could I not lend a hand to this?
We feel that Bnei Olam is a phenomenal organization that provides pivotal financial and emotional support to couples experiencing the anguish caused by infertility.
I can't imagine what my life would be like without my kids. What lengths would I have gone to if I had been told that I could not have them?
What about the people who are not in the game to begin with, who don't have children to take to shul, to drive to yeshiva, or to support their yeshivas?
To me, Bnei Olam falls into the category of Hatzalah, an insurance policy. It's something we hope never to need, but we all have to have.
I think it's a wonderful organization. I know a person or two who is part of this, who used this organization, and it was a success on them.
I hear stories of people that have been hiding in the woodwork and they come out of the woodwork. All of a sudden I hear about a cousin of mine in Eretz Yisrael who was married for 18 years, never had children, and with the help of Bnei Olam, she had children. How does somebody not get involved with an organization like this?
Rabbi Shlomo Bachner is a selfless and dedicated doer who has made it his sole tafkid in this world to ensure the smooth operation and growth of Bnei Olam.
Bnei Olam is a fantastic organization. They enable couples to become families, something that is priceless.
Bnei Olam has been responsible for over 8,400 births of children, of couples that could not have children. And now, Reb Shlomo tells me they're expanding their services.
Being involved in this year's dinner has made me appreciate, more than ever, what Hashem has given me and my wife Rivki.
This is an organization that you have to get involved with. It's not a choice.
I feel very proud to be part of the success of the campaign and the dinner, and to be among such esteemed honorees.
We feel fortunate to have been given the opportunity to be a small part of the amazing work that Bnei Olam continues to achieve.
It was my privilege to have developed a shaykhus Reb Shlomo. It is my privilege, and I hope to continue that shaykhus for many years to come.
I'd like to thank all my friends and all my family for coming and making this dinner the great success that it has been.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my relatives, friends,
Honorees, and especially everybody who put this whole wood dinner together. I know it's not an easy thing.
We are grateful to all those that participated in this campaign.
The campaign slogan this year is Baby on Board. Get on board. It's very nice to give money, and it's important. But Reb Shlomo and Bnei Olam need your personal involvement. That's the way they're going to be able to continue to help all these people who have such a void in their lives, and to continue to do the holy work that they do.
And may your loved ones never need the services of Bnei Olam or any other organization.
and may every couple that's waiting soon have a baby on board of their own.